What up, guys? It's your boy Coffee Muggy 2987 back for another molesting video. Today we are going to be reviewing some Titanfall 2. Let's jump right into the gameplay. I've already been playing this game for not too long, but I have some good impressions about it. Let's see how it goes. Now there is going to be an awkward silence during this video, so I do apologize for that.
The frontier is worth every part of this fight. Okay, pilots, let's get this job done.
Oh, well that sucks. Alright guys, I'm so sorry about that. Let's continue with the video. Just need to change some settings so people in the game could not hear me. Because I do sound like a complete retard right now. Oh, and I seem to have been killed by a real player. Well, that sucks. I seem to be doing really shit at this game because I am. It's like an overrated Advanced Warfare. So just comment in the comments down below how you like this game and how you think I play it. Do I play well? Do I play shit? I don't know. Alright, that was a pretty good kill right there. I'm surprised I'm doing this well. Where am I on the team? 3rd place. Not too bad, not too bad. I am using a friend's account, so you may notice that it's not the same name than all my other videos. And it has been a long time since I've recorded. I've matured. Just kidding, I'm still a faggot. Oh, and that seems to— whoa, giant robot. Whoa! Cool, get him. I can't do that. Alright, so let's keep on going, guys, and let's just check out the gameplay. I don't know how I feel about this gameplay. It feels pretty good. I'm so I'm doing pretty good right now. I find that this game is really— it's like an overrated Advanced Warfare, I find. It's pretty good. I mean, they could have some things like katanas and stuff, but overall I think it's amazing. Rather than the difference that I hear chips crumbling in the background of my video, and I'm not really sure why. So let's just continue with the gameplay, and I hope you guys find— oh, I seem to have missed that guy, and I'm gonna run away now, because I'm a fag. We seem to have some bad quality in the background of this video. Excuse me for that. Hopefully I can get some better quality microphones in the next video. Alright, we seem to be having a good time here. I seem to be in 3rd place on the team. That will hopefully last for long. So, how do you guys feel about the gameplay? I've already said that like 4 times. Alright, let's continue with the video. Oh, I seem to be dead. My god. Self-destruct. Let's go, boys. Woo! You're dead? Let's continue with the gameplay. I've already said that like 4 times too. Jesus. Oh. Well, I seem to have died, guys. It's very unfortunate, which I've also said like 7 times. Alright, guys, let's continue. And let's just go. I seem to be doing okay at this game. Sorry about that. That seems to be a little interference with the microphone. And it seems to be coming from my mouth. Oh my god, what is my mic doing? I'm sorry, Mom. We seem to be having a little interference with the mic. Let's continue with this. Let's continue with the video. Alright, let's continue.
You said that like 4 times too.
Alright. Alright, let's continue. Alright guys, let's jump right into the shit. We're already in the gameplay. Alright guys, we seem to be almost out of time here for this video. But we only have a couple minutes left. But let's just get the last bit of this gameplay. We seem to have 3 minutes in the match, and after this game, that'll be it for my review on Titanfall. That'll be it for my review on Titanfall 2 with Greasy Gamer.
Let's get right into it.
Alright, boys. Let's see if we can just get. Ooh, I seem to have died. That was very unfortunate. So now we're just gonna take the time to get really good quality in our mic and just scream. You may want to turn down your audio, because things are gonna get a little sexual. I can show you the world, sparkling, splendering, splendor. Here, oh, we seem to be on the back and pulling out something. Whoa, whoa, we got him. We're gonna pull out our Titan and jump on this faggot, and jump over here, and then jump over here and jump on our Titan. And now we're going to rape ass, because that is what we do.
I didn't have that in the map.
Oh, let's block with our sword here.
Yeah, rapidly throwing your, putting your thumb rapidly in and over your mouth.
Face is recording a video.
Alright, let's keep going here. I seem to be doing really bad right now. And that's a victory, guys. Awesome recording. It's been a super long time since I do this. I've got a lot more cringy, a lot less mature, and I'm a fat fucking stupid bitch. Now, that'll be... Now, you guys must be jealous of my Razer Chroma keyboard that goes a rainbow color. Now, I seem to be doing... Oh, I thought that was the end of the game. Oh, jeez. I was just about to do my ending, but I guess we're not over yet, guys. Let's try and win. We gotta win. We gotta...
31.
That seems to be... Man, Noah, you need to get a better mic. This thing has a lot of interference. And I'm not sure what's causing it, buddy. Oh, it seems we're spectating. It seems that at the end of the game, once you've won, apparently there's some sort of round-based thing. So overall, I give this game a, I don't know. I think I'll decide that at the end. Let's see how fast it is to load out of the game, and then we will determine that. Alright, guys, so let's just, is this the end of the game? Ooh. Oh, I think this, no, I think this is the end of the game. Awesome. Well, let's just jump right in here and get going. Alright guys, well we seem to be done the video here. That was a pretty fast loadout, so overall I give this a 2.5 out of 10. It's doing pretty good. It may have to do with how garbage I am. This mic has a lot of interference. Alright guys, and that'll be your boy.
On your phone.
And that'll be your boy, Coffee Muggy 2987, the Greasy Gamer signing off. See you dudes all later, take care.